Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains unique, decent, elegant and easy to make hand embroidery designs that is one-sided, single-sided neckline embroidery designs for dresses. These single-sided embroidery designs are very easy, unique and they give a very beautiful creativity for hand embroidery artists, hand embroidery lovers and even hand embroidery beginners. The beauty and creativity of these videos is that you can make them by sitting at your home by just following these patterns, and even you can use these beautiful patterns of embroidery equally for machine embroidery. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas. Guys, one more request that don't forget to like my video, leave comments below the comment section that what you feel about our content, what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. And guys, one more thing, that is keep loving us, keep watching our content, and keep supporting us because with your love and support, we can continue to grow. Guys, you can use wool for making these very beautiful embroidery patterns to give a more thick and 3D view. And even you can make use of anchor and DMC for making these beautiful and pretty patterns. Guys, on my channel, we try our best on daily basis to share amazing, beautiful, and creative ideas of hand embroidery to give creative opinions and ideas with the lovers and artists of hand embroidery. The beauty and simplicity of these designs make them very easy and friendly for beginners. So you can make use of them equally for formal, casual, as well as for everyday lightweight breathable dresses, for everyday school, college wear, and even for office wear also. Thank you so much for watching.